Hi, I'm Hunter. Today we're going to be making a time capsule. For your time capsule, you can use an old peanut butter jar, a cookie jar, or whatever containers you have that you want to use. Write a letter that tells about you, your interest, and explain why you included the items you picked for your time capsule. Don't forget to put the date. You should also talk about climate change and what you're doing to help protect the environment. For my time capsule, I'll be using some coins, a Pokemon card, a 3D printed Pokemon character, and a Lego figure. And my letter that I wrote explaining my time capsule, how to treat the earth, and about my life. Since we're burying our time capsule, we don't want there to be any leaks. Use some duct tape to patch some places up that you think it might leak out of. We dug a big hole and now we're putting our time capsule in it. Remember to dig real deep down there, drop it in, and take your shovel and you can put all the dirt back in there, and it'll be all gone for someone to find it later. Hope you had fun making a time capsule today. Happy Earth Day. Take this further by using Scratch and make a treasure map of where you buried your time capsule.
To create the map to your time capsule, start by removing the Scratch Cat sprite and uploading a new backdrop. The backdrop should be a picture of your house or yard or wherever you buried your time capsule. Click the New Sprite button and navigate to the People tab. Choose a sprite that you think works well for your project. The character I chose has a second costume that lets you see him from his profile view. This works better for my animation. Click back over to the Code tab, and then drag your character's position to where you would like him to start the game. Now we're ready to start the coding. Pick the When green flag is clicked event block, and then go up to the motions. We're going to tell him that he should start at this location that we're at the corner. The X and the Y should be already set because he's in that position right now. Grab a forever block and inside place an if-then block. Go to the operations drawer and find the block that has the word and in the middle of two spaces. We're going to drag this and put it in the then block. After that, we're going to grab two identicals that say blank is equal to 50, and we're going to put it in each of those sections. From the motions drawer, find the rounded off blocks that say X position and Y position, and place them into that if block. Look at your photo to see where your time capsule is actually buried. Drag your sprite to that location and notice the X and the Y values written underneath the picture. We're going to use these numbers in the if block. When you put the numbers in, please make sure that the numbers that you choose to record are multiples of 10. That means numbers that when you're skip counting by 10, you would say that number. Now we're going to tell the game what to do if our character walks into that specific location. I'm choosing to make him say something, but you can choose something else. Be creative with it. I'm also going to add a sound effect. Click on the Sound tab at the top so that you're able to add and edit the sounds. If you do a search, you can find all kinds of things already recorded in Scratch. I'm going to choose this car horn. The last thing to add to our game is to give our sprite the ability to walk around. We're going to need 4 of the event blocks that say when space is pressed. And we're going to rename those so they aren't space, they are named for the directional arrows, up, down, right, and left. Go to the motions drawer and find the block that says change X by 10 and attach it to the right and the left side. For the left, you're going to want it to say -10. For the up and the down, find the one that says change Y by 10. Again, for the down, we're going to want to change it to a -10. Test it out. Does your sprite walk around like he's supposed to? Now our sprite has the ability to walk around the yard and look for the time capsule. I found one thing that I needed to change to make my animation work. In the first motion block of my code, the number of values that I picked weren't multiples of 10. This meant that my character would never actually land on the spot that I needed him to. So I've adjusted those numbers. Let's look at the code that we created. When the green flag is clicked, my character is going to go to that specific location in the bottom corner. And if he ever gets over to the corner where the time capsule is hidden, he's going to play the car horn and he's going to say, "This is the spot, grab the shovel." I hope you had fun making your time capsule an interactive map. Happy Earth Day!